Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. Today I'd like to introduce you to the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. The digital era has revolutionized many industries, but perhaps none more dynamically than marketing. Affiliate marketing offers an enticing pathway for individuals aspiring to earn income through online platforms. This model benefits both brands and affiliate marketers, creating a win-win scenario through effective collaboration and shared successes. The appeal of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility and potential for significant financial reward, all from the comfort of one's home. It's not just about making quick money, it's about building sustainable relationships between marketers, merchants, and consumers. This form of marketing allows individuals to earn by promoting products they trust and enjoy, adding personal value to their audiences. Imagine earning money, not from a 9-to-5 job, but from connecting people with products that meet their needs and desires. In this video, we will explore the foundational aspects of starting in affiliate marketing, from choosing a niche to optimizing your strategies for maximum profit. Whether you're a novice or have basic knowledge, this affiliate marketing journey offers valuable insights and tips to kickstart or boost your earnings. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. At its core, three principal players make up this ecosystem: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant, also known as the advertiser or retailer, is the provider of the goods or services. The affiliate, often termed the publisher, promotes these offerings. Lastly, the customer is the recipient of these marketing efforts, whose purchases generate revenue. The merchant creates an affiliate program which serves as a platform for affiliates to join and promote products. The affiliate uses various marketing strategies, from content creation to running ads, to persuade their audience. The customer, influenced by the affiliate's content, completes the purchase through affiliate links, which are tracked to ensure affiliates receive their commissions. This cycle benefits all. Merchants gain exposure and sales, affiliates earn commissions without product development, and customers find products that interest or benefit them. Now, let's discuss the first critical step in setting up a successful affiliate marketing venture by choosing your niche. That represents a specialized segment of the market that you are particularly knowledgeable about or passionate about. Start by listing topics you're passionate about or have considerable knowledge in. Next, research the market demand for these topics. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media can provide insights into what people are currently interested in and spending money on. Furthermore, it's important to consider the competition in potential niches. While a highly competitive niche may offer more established pathways to success, a less saturated niche might provide new opportunities for market leadership. With a well-chosen niche, you are better positioned to create compelling content that resonates deeply with your target audience, setting the foundation for successful affiliate marketing. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to find suitable affiliate programs that align with your content and audience. Begin your search by checking if the leading brands in your niche offer affiliate programs. Most companies provide details of their affiliate programs on their websites or through popular affiliate networks like ShareASale, Commission Junction, and Amazon Associates. Consider commission rate, payment structure, and average earnings per click (EPC) when evaluating potential affiliate programs. High commission rates can be attractive, but they need to be weighed against the product's price and the typical conversion rate. Promoting products you believe in makes your marketing efforts authentic and ethical, increases repeat purchases, and enhances your potential earnings. setting up your affiliate marketing platform. Creating a robust platform is crucial for launching and maintaining a successful affiliate marketing business. Your platform is where you will publish content, engage with your audience, and drive sales through affiliate links. The most common platforms include blogs, YouTube channels, and social media pages, each offering a unique advantages for content delivery and audience interaction. For beginners, starting a blog is often the most accessible option. Blogs are versatile, allowing for a range of content types such as articles, reviews, and tutorials, which can effectively incorporate affiliate links. To start a blog, select a reliable web hosting service like Bluehost or SiteGround and use a content management system such as WordPress to build and manage your site. Ensure your blog design is user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing to attract and retain visitors. In addition to a primary platform, consider diversifying your presence across multiple channels. Regular updates not only keep your audience engaged, but also improve your SEO, increasing your site's visibility and traffic. Content is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. It serves not only as the medium through which you promote products, but also as a tool for engaging and adding value to your audience. Effective content creation involves understanding what your audience seeks and delivering it in an engaging and informative manner. Start by identifying the types of content that resonate most with your target audience. This could range from in-depth product reviews and how-to guides to compelling narratives about personal experiences with the products. Utilizing a variety of content forms like articles, videos, and podcasts can cater to different preferences within your audience, thereby broadening your reach and impact. SEO, or search engine optimization, plays a critical role in content creation. By integrating targeted keywords naturally into your content, you improve the chances of your articles appearing in search results, driving organic traffic to your platform. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can provide insights into the keywords your target audience is searching for, guiding your content strategy effectively. Additionally, the authenticity of your content is crucial. Your audience is more likely to trust and follow your recommendations if they believe in your honesty and expertise. Engaging and well-optimized content is essential for attracting and retaining an audience and driving affiliate sales. Integrating affiliate links into your content is a delicate balance between promotion and subtlety. While the primary goal is to generate sales, it's crucial to maintain the trust and interest of your audience by ensuring that the inclusion of affiliate links is natural and justified. Here are best practices for effectively integrating these links into your content. Firstly, always provide context around your affiliate links. Whether you're writing a product review or mentioning a product in a tutorial, make sure the link adds value to the content and is relevant to the topic discussed. This not only makes the placement of the link seem natural, but also increases the likelihood of clicks as it directly relates to the reader's current interest. Transparency is key when using affiliate links. It is not only ethical, but often required by law to disclose your affiliate relationships. This disclosure reassures your audience that you're open about your endorsements and are not merely promoting products for profit. A simple statement at the beginning or end of your content acknowledging the use of affiliate links can suffice. Additionally, use anchor text that are informative and enticing without being clickbaity. Effective integration of affiliate links is a vital skill in affiliate marketing, balancing promotional efforts with genuine content to maintain trust and engagement. Driving traffic to your platform is critical for maximizing your affiliate marketing earnings. SEO and social media are two powerful tools for increasing your online visibility and attracting more visitors. By mastering these, you can enhance your reach and influence more effectively. SEO involves optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results for relevant keywords. This starts with thorough keyword research to understand what your target audience is searching for. Use these insights to create content that addresses these queries. Ensure your website's technical health by optimizing loading speeds, mobile responsiveness, and secure connections, as these factors influence search engine rankings. Social media marketing complements SEO by allowing you to engage directly with a broader audience. Choose platforms that align with your content and audience demographics. Regular posts, engaging visuals, and interactive elements like polls or live sessions can help maintain audience interest and drive traffic to your main platform. Collaborations and influencer partnerships can also amplify your reach. By leveraging both SEO and social media strategies effectively, you can create a comprehensive approach to driving traffic. Utilizing analytics tools will provide valuable data on traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and more, allowing you to gauge the performance of your content and affiliate links. Start by integrating tools like Google Analytics with your website. This free tool can track nearly every aspect of your site's performance, including user behavior, traffic sources, and bounce rates. Also, by analyzing this data, you can identify which pieces of content are performing well and which ones are not, enabling you to focus your efforts more effectively on high-performing topics and formats. Conversion tracking is particularly important in affiliate marketing. Many affiliate programs offer their own analytics tools, which include detailed reports on the number of clicks on your affiliate links and the conversions resulting from those clicks. Regularly reviewing and acting upon the insights gained from analytics allows you to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy dynamically. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and staying successful in affiliate marketing requires continual learning and adaptation. Strategy optimization should be an ongoing process where you routinely assess and refine your approaches based on performance data, market trends, and technological advancements. One key area for ongoing optimization is your content strategy. As market trends shift and new products emerge, updating your content to remain relevant and valuable to your audience is crucial. Technological advancements offer new tools and platforms for affiliate marketers. Continual optimization of your strategies helps you adapt to changes and leverage new opportunities. Persistence is often the unsung hero of affiliate marketing success. While the potential for passive income can be enticing, the reality is that building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and resilience. In the early stages, you might face challenges such as low traffic, minimal engagement, or disappointing sales conversions. Each challenge provides insights into what might not be working and forces you to innovate or try new approaches that will lead to greater success. It's clear that affiliate marketing offers an exciting opportunity for individuals looking to generate income through digital platforms. So do not hesitate. Take the first step towards a successful entrepreneurial journey and unlock your potential for unlimited earnings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.